Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 6th standard first term contents. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. You will be get benefited and learn more. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Friends, today we are going to discuss exercise 1.3 sums. First one, fill in the blanks. Arulmozhi saves rupees 12 per day. Then she saves dash in 30 days. So one day rupees 12. Therefore, we have to find out 30 days. This one is 1 to many. 1 to many, that means we have to multiply. So 30. So we can multiply 12 into 30. So first is 0, write it. 3 12s are 36. So rupees 360 is the answer. Next one, if a person A earns rupees 1800 in 12 days, then he earns rupees dash in a day. So here given 12 days rupees 1800. Therefore, one day. This is many to 1. Many to 1. That means divide. One day we have to find out. So, division means here 1800 by 12. Cancel with the 12 table. 112 is 12. First you take 18. 112 is 12. Remaining 6 and 0. 60. 5 12s are 60 and 0. So, answer is 150. Next one, 45 divided opening bracket of 7 plus 8 closing bracket minus 2. Using BIDMAS rule, inside the bracket first we have to find out 7 plus 8 15. So write it 45 divided by 15 minus 2. That is BIDMAS, bracket of indices and division. So 45 divided by 15 means 3 15s are 45. So 3 minus 2 equal to 1 is the answer. True or false? 3 plus 9 plus 8 equal to 96. Here we use BIDMAS rule. 9 8s are 72. Therefore 3 plus 72, that answer will come only 75. 75 here is not equal to 96. Therefore it is false. Next one, 7 into 20 minus 4. Using BIDMAS rule, bracket, indices, division, multiplication. So 7 20s are 140. 140 minus 4 equal to 136 only. So 136 equal to 136. Therefore it is true. Next one, 40 plus 56 minus 6 closing bracket divided by 2 means first inside the bracket 56 minus 6 50 and 40 plus 50 divided by 2. Here 50 divided by 2 BIDMAS bracket indices division only. So 40 50 divided by 2 25. 2 25s are 50. So 40 plus 25. It will come 65 only is not equal to 45. Therefore, it is false. Third one, the number of people who visited the public library for the past 5 months was given here 1200, 2000, 2450, 3060 and 3200. How many people visited the library in the last 5 months? So we have to add it, all the number of people. So how will you write the step? Refer the question. People visited the public library for the past 5 months. This is the first line. And statement equal to given numbers, you write it 1200 plus 2000 plus 2450 plus 3060 plus 3200. So add it. This is horizontal addition. So you can do it vertical addition also. 1200, 2000, 2450 and 3060 and 3200. Add it. 0, 6 plus 5 11, carry over 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9, 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11. So for the past 5 months, total people visited 11,910. Fourth one, Sharon had a bank savings of rupees 7,50,250. He withdraw means take over. Rupees 5,34,500. For educational purpose. Find the balance means what operation? Minus only. So savings rupees 7,50,250, cash withdrawn rupees 5,34,500. Therefore, the balance amount minus. So here horizontal addition. So vertical addition 7,50,250 minus 5,34,500. 0, 5, here borrow, 4, here 1, here also borrow, 12, here 9. So 12 minus 5, 7, 9 minus 4, 5, 4 minus 3, 1, 7 minus 5, 2. Therefore, balance amount in the bank, rupees 2,15,750. Fifth one, in a cycle factory, 1,560 bicycles were manufactured every day. That means one day. Find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. First we write the statement, number of bicycles manufactured in one day equal to 1,560. Therefore, number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. Here first we have to find what arithmetic operation we have to do. So here 1 to 25 means one quantity given. We have to find out many quantity means multiplication. So 1,560 into 25. First 500, 5 6 are 30. 3, 5 5s are 25 plus 3, 28, 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. And 200, 2 6 are 12, 1, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 1, 11, 1, 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. Add it, 0, 1 carry over, 9 and 3. So 39,000 bicycles were manufactured in 25 days. Sixth one, rupees 62,500 was equally, so note it this one, equally distributed as a New Year bonus for 25 employees of a company. How much did he each receive? First total amount 62,500. Number of total employees 25. Here bonus amount received by each employee means one employee. Here 25 employee, one employee means many to one. Many quantity, that is 25 employees amount 62,500. We have to find out one employee amount. Therefore, it is what arithmetic operation here? Division. So 62,500 by divided by 25. Here we cancel it, numerator and denominator with the same number. So first 25 means 5 table, 5 5s are 25. First you take it 6, cancel it, 1 5 is 5, remaining 12, 2 5s are 10, remaining 25, 5 5s are 25 and remaining put it 0. And again 1 5 is 5, First digit is here 1. It is smaller compared to 5. So you take it 2 digits. 2 5s are 10. Meaning 2. 25. 5 5s are 25. Balance 2 zeros. So 2500. So each employee will get bonus rupees 2500. Seventh one, simplify the following numerical expression. So first one, opening bracket of 10 plus 17 closing bracket divided by 3 using BIDMAS rule. So first bracket. So 10 plus 17, 27 divided by 3. 9 and 3 are 27. Therefore our answer is 9. Second one, 12 minus square bracket of 3 minus curl brackets 6 minus opening bracket of 5 minus 1 closing bracket curl bracket square bracket. So first inside the bracket, first what is this? Here only 5 minus 1. This is the first step. So 5 minus 1, first 4. After you write it all the other terms. 12 minus square bracket of 3 minus curl bracket 6 minus 4. First here we have to find the curling bracket. That is the second step. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Remaining terms you write it as such. So 12 minus square bracket of 3 minus 2. That's third step is square bracket we have to simplify. So this is the third step. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore last one 12 minus 1 equal to 11. Third question, 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus curling bracket opening bracket of 3 into 2 closing bracket minus 6 divided by 2. First using BIDMAS rule, 3 into 2 first bracket. So 3 into 2 6. After write it other terms as such. Next 100 plus 8 divided by 2. Here first remove the here simplify curling bracket. In curling bracket also use BIDMAS rule only. Here this is the first step. This one is second because division. Bracket indices division. So this is the second one. So 6 divided by 2 3. Write it other terms 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus curling bracket 6 minus 3. Next one we simplify this one. This is the third one. 6 minus 3 is 3 and 100 plus 8 divided by 2 as such write it. Next division. So 8 divided by 2 4. So 100 plus 4 plus 3. After you add it everything. So 107 is the answer. Objective sums. The value of 3 plus 5 minus 7 into 1. First step BIDMAS multiplication. So 3 plus 5 minus 7. So BIDMAS here. Addition, subtraction. So here next one addition only. So 3 plus 5, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 1 is the answer. Next one, the value of 24 divided curling bracket 8 minus opening bracket of 3 into 2. Use BIDMAS rule. Bracket. First one bracket. This is the first step. So 3 into 2, 6. So 24 divided 8 minus 6. Here also bracket. So 8 minus 6, 2. So next one 24 divided by 2 equal to 12. Use BIDMAS and put the correct operator in the box. 2 question mark 6 minus 12 divided 4 plus 2. So we will get that answer here 10. So first what we have to do? So inside the bracket. So first write the question 2 here question mark 6 minus 12 divided 4 plus 2. First step is what? First step, other terms you write it as such, divided 4 plus 2 is 6. Next division rule, so 12 divided 6 minus 12 divided by 6 is 2. Here answer is 10 means 2 into 6 only 12. So 12 minus 2 equal to 10. So our operation, arithmetic operation is multiplication. Okay. Thank you students. We will see in the next class. Next exercise.